Good morning, dear students. Okay, very good morning. How are you? Okay, all of you fine. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantu. Okay, this is second standard class. Okay, subject English. Then okay, see here. Listen here, students. In previous class, we will start the little red hen. We will start fourth lesson. Okay, we will start fourth lesson, and that lesson name is Little Red Hen. Okay, Little Red Hen. Lesson number 4. Little red hen. Okay, see here, in previous class we will learn difficult words in this lesson, and we will learn half of the lesson. Okay, next in this class we will continue this lesson. Okay, now all of you open your textbook, page number 42. Page number 42. Lesson number 4. Little Red Hen. Okay. Okay. Come to the lesson. In previous class, we will learn one of the little red hen lived in a farm. Okay, lived in a farm. Then cat, dog and duck is also live with her, and always the little red hen is always busy, but dog is wanted to run and play, and the cat is wanted to nap in a sunny spot, and the duck wanted to swim in the pond. Okay, next one day the little red hen is find the wheat seeds, and that time she asked to duck, dog and cat, and she asked to help. Okay, next that time dog, duck and cat also didn't help to little red hen. Okay, next when we will stop the lesson, the wheat grew all tall and yellow. It was time to harvest the wheat. Okay, and the wheat come to harvest time. Now the wheat come to harvest time. What is the meaning of harvest? Okay, what is the meaning of harvest? Harvest means koilu. Okay, means ಗೋಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಯ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Okay, koilu. Harvest means koilu. In this time a wheat come to harvest. Okay, who will help me cut the wheat? Asked little red hen. When the wheat come to harvest time, that time the little red hen asked to cat, dog and duck, who will help me cut this wheat? Then I won't, quacked the wee brown duck. It's time to eat my lunch. I won't, purred the small yellow cat. It's time to climb a tree. Then I won't, growled the big black dog. It's time to run and play. Then I will do it myself, said little red hen, and she did it. When the wheat come to harvest, that time the little red hen asked to help. Okay, but duck, cat and dog, and that time the duck asked to little red hen, I won't, because it's time to eat my lunch. Duck asked to little red hen, I won't, I didn't help to you because it's time to eat my lunch. Then I won't, purr the small yellow cat. It's time to climb a tree. Then cat is also didn't help to little red hen because it's time to climb a tree. This is asked to little red hen, it's time to climb a tree. Okay, next one is dog. Okay, I won't growl the big black dog. It's time to run and play. Dog is also didn't help to little red hen because it's time to run and play. The dog asked to little red hen, I won't, I don't, I didn't help to you because it's time to run and play. Okay, both are all didn't help to little red hen, cat, dog and duck. Okay, finally, then I will do it myself. Then little red hen asked to dog, cat and duck, I will do it myself because and I will do it myself and she will do it. Finally, she will do it. Then the wheat was ready to grind into flour. Flour means, what do you mean by flour? Okay, flour means hit too. Okay, the wheat was in this time the wheat was come to grind into flour. Okay, who will help me take wheat to the mill? She asked. I won't, quacked the wee brown duck. It's time to rest in the sun. I won't, purred the small yellow cat. It's time to chase a bird. Then I won't, growled the big black dog. It's time to scratch my fleas. Then I will do it myself, said little red hen, and she did it. See here, when the wheat was ready to grind into flour, that time she asked to help duck, dog and cat. Then first one is, she asked to help. Who will help me take wheat to the mill? Who will help me take wheat to the mill? Then first one is duck, brown duck. What he say? Okay, I won't. That duck said to little red hen, I didn't help you because it's time to rest in the sun. This time rest in the sun, so I didn't help you. Then I won't, purr the small yellow cat. It's time to chase a bird. Then cat is also didn't help to little red hen because he asked to little red hen, it's time to chase a bird. It's time to chase a bird. Chase means attisikondu hogu. Okay, chase. It's time to chase a bird. And finally, one of the remaining, that is dog. Okay, I won't, growled the big black dog. It's time to scratch my fleas. Okay. Fleas means very small insect that bite humans and animals and suck their blood. Okay, one of the kind of insect. Fleas means a kind of insect. A kind of insect. I hope all of you know what is the meaning of insect. Insect means keetagalu. Okay. Next, I won't. The dog is also didn't help to little red hen because it's time to scratch my fleas. Okay, the dog asked to little red hen, it's time, this time scratch my fleas. Then I will do it myself, said little red hen, and she did it. Finally, then she doing itself and she did it. Then the wheat was made into flour at the mill. Then she did it. Wheat was made into flour at the mill. Then who will help me make the flour into bread? Next, that flour make into bread. Okay, that time she asked her to help dog, cat and duck. Okay, who will help me? The little red hen asked her to help. Who will help me make the flour into bread? Okay. Now it was flour at the mill, then flour into bread. Okay, this time make the flour into bread. So she asked her to help. Then I won't, quacked the wee brown duck. It's time to eat green weeds. Then I would, purr the small yellow cat, and it's time to clean my fur. Then I won't, growled the big black dog. It's time to dig a hole. Then I will do it myself, the said little red hen, and finally she did it. Okay, first we will see who will help me. She asked to help dog, cat and duck. Okay, who will help me make the flour into bread? Then first one is duck. I won't. I didn't help you. Again she asked. Again he asked to little red hen. Finally he didn't help to little red hen because it's time to eat green weeds. Weeds means wild plant growing where not needed. Weeds means kale. Okay, kasa. Kasa anta karitira ನೀವು ಹೊಲದೊಳಗೆ ಕಸ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Okay, weeds, green weeds. It's time to eat green weeds. Then cat. Okay, yellow cat. I won't pet the small yellow cat. It's time to clean my fur. Fur means thick hair. Okay, thick hair. Hair, H-A-I-R, thick hair. Fur. Okay, fur means thick hair. Okay, fur means thick hair. Body for some animals. Okay, thick hair, body for some animals. Animals hair, thick hair. Okay, that means fur. Next, I won't. The yellow cat is also didn't help to little red hen. I won't because it's time to clean my hair. That cat asked to little red hen in this time clean my fur. Fur means thick hair, body on a animals. Okay, animals ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕೂದಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? Fur ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. Okay, next one is remaining dog. Okay, I won't grow the big black dog. It's time to dig a hole. Okay, finally the dog is also didn't help to little red hen because it's time to dig a hole. The dog asked to little red hen, it's time dig a hole. Okay, dig means dig. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಡ್ಡುವುದು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಡ್ಡುವುದಕ್ಕ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಡಿಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಸೇ ಲಿಟಲ್ ರೆಡ್ ಹೆನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಟು ಲಿಟಲ್ ರೆಡ್ ಹೆನ್, ಸೊ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ doing itself. Okay, she was doing itself and she finally did it. Then little red hen took the bread out of the oven. The little red hen doing their work. The little red hen took the bread out of the oven. Oven means ole. Okay, besu. Little red hen took the bread out of the oven. Then it was hot and brown. When little red hen took the bread out of the oven, that time the bread hot and brown, that time it smelled so good. Okay, when little red hen took the bread out of the oven and that time that hot and brown, that time hot and brown, then smelled so good. That bread smelled so good. Okay, next, what happened? Who will help me eat this bread? She asked. When ready to bread, that time she asked to duck, dog and cat. Okay, that little red hen help. Okay, doing help. She asked help to dog, cat and duck. Who will help me eat this bread? See here, this is a bread and little red hen. Okay, who will help me eat this bread? Okay, first one is duck. I will, shouted the duck. Then I will, shouted the cat, and I will, shouted the dog. See here, when those are all didn't help to little red hen. Okay, in this previous she asked most time help, okay, but that time both are didn't help to little red hen. When the bread was ready, when eating dinner or eating ready, eat bread, that time both are all I will shouted, okay. Duck, cat and dog also shouted, and I will eat this bread, okay. Next one is, oh no, the little red hen is didn't agree that, because oh no, none of you, said little red hen. When they are all shouted I will, that time the little red hen asked to dog, cat and duck, oh no, none of you, said little red hen. Why she was saying this? Okay. You didn't help plant the seeds. See here, she asked to cat, dog and duck, you didn't help me when I plant the seeds and when cut the weeds and when I make the flour and when I bake the bread. Now you won't eat the bread. So none of you, okay. Now you would the bread, okay. Those are all didn't help plant the seeds when she plant the seeds and when cut the wheat and when she make the flour and when she bake the bread. So now you won't eat this bread, okay. Next, the little red hen and her 3 chicks ate up all the bread, okay. 8 means 8 is a eat flat fast form, okay. 8 is a EAT, eat fast form, okay. Little red hen, in the end the little red hen and her 3 chicks means koli mari, okay. The little red hen chicks ate up all breads, okay. Both are all ate up all breads, okay. Finally we will learn in this lesson, we will do our work and finally we will get a succeed, okay. Without a hard work we will not succeed in our work, so we will always busy our work, finally we get succeed, okay. I hope all of you understood this lesson, and next class we will discuss the question answers in this lesson, okay. The little red hen, okay. Next class we will discuss about the question answers in this lesson, okay. Thank you one and all.